Welcome to our channel. Here we explore the latest trends and design ideas for creating a modern, spacious kitchen with a dining table that perfectly blends style, functionality, and comfort. Whether you are renovating your kitchen or designing a new one from scratch, this video will provide you with all the inspiration and tips you need to create a beautiful and efficient kitchen space that reflects your personal taste and lifestyle. A modern kitchen with a dining table is more than just a place to cook and eat. It's the heart of the home. It's where the family gatherings happen, where memories are made, and where you can entertain guests in a stylish and welcoming environment. A spacious kitchen layout with an integrated dining area allows for a seamless flow between cooking, dining, and socializing, making it the perfect setup for both everyday meals and special occasions. An open concept kitchen is ideal for creating a spacious feel. By removing walls and combining the kitchen with the dining area, you create a more open and airy environment. This layout enhances the flow of natural light and allows for easier interaction between family members and guests. A spacious kitchen isn't complete without a large dining table that can accommodate family and friends. Choose a dining table that complements your kitchen's design. Whether it's a rustic wooden table for a cozy feel or a glass top table for a more modern look, the dining table serves as a multifunctional space for eating, working, and socializing.